Proper nouns and common nouns. You have learnt about nouns, haven't you? If you haven't watched the previous video, you can find it linked in the I button above. One classification of nouns is as proper nouns and common nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, event, place, or thing. Examples of proper nouns. Examples are Freddie, Canada, Coca-Cola, Christmas, etc. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. They are not preceded by articles such as a or an, but are sometimes preceded by the when it is part of the proper name, as in the Philippines. Common nouns. A common noun, on the other hand, is not the name of a particular person, thing, or place, but is a word that is used to refer to the class or group to which the proper nouns belong. For example, Freddie is a proper noun, but boy is a common noun. Canada is a proper noun, whereas country is a common noun. Generally, common nouns do not start with a capital letter unless it is the first word of a sentence. In contrast to a proper noun, a common noun can be preceded by an article such as a, an, or the. It is perfectly correct to say a boy, but not a Freddie. Let us see if you have understood the difference between common and proper nouns. In the following sentences, is the highlighted noun a common or proper noun? Choose your answer. My sister is coming home next week. Common noun or proper noun? The correct answer is common noun. Mr. John likes to go cycling to work. Common noun or proper noun? The correct answer is proper noun. Do we have to attend the wedding? Common noun or proper noun? The correct answer is common noun. The cycles in this shop are all brand new. Common noun or proper noun? The correct answer is common noun. The World Health Organization is organizing a health workshop in our capital city. Common noun or proper noun? The correct answer is proper noun. Have you answered all the questions correct? If not, watch the video again to understand. If yes, then congratulations. Now you know what are proper and common nouns. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more.